Dollar Tree steering wheel cover could be used for so many different things other than your steering wheel. In fact, that's not what we're gonna use it for. By the way, does anyone still use these on their steering wheels? I don't know, maybe I'm out of the loop. I mean, are we still doing this? Dollar Tree's selling them, so I guess people are still using this. I guess I could see if your steering wheel gets too hot. Okay, let me just show you something here really quick. Oh, my dirty garbage. I should have taken this out first. Let's try this again. Much better, just keeping it real with you. What's the worst? You put your garbage in here, and then if you do not have this secured tightly, then everything just falls into your garbage can. You certainly can buy the command hooks for the side. I don't love that idea because like what happens as your garbage gets stretched deeper and deeper, and then you got these command hooks, and then if you have a situation like that, it's just not gonna work. The other thing I want you to be cautious of is when someone else is at your house changing your garbage and they pull up on this. This has happened to my parents many times when they're here. But what can happen, especially if this is not black, is it falls into the garbage and then no one even notices that that went in there. And I would come home and be like, where is my loopy thingy around my garbage? It's actually called the garbage bands. I still had one, garbage bands, but from the Dollar Tree, $1.25, yes please. Got lost in the trash. You can do this with pantyhose from the Dollar Tree, but why not do it with a steering wheel cover? Let me show you. It's like an ornament for your garbage can, and this comes in a lot of different colors, and might I say this is tighter than anything that I have used before. This baby is not coming up. It's gonna be really hard for someone to not realize that this is on the side of your garbage can. Amazing. Bling bling, baby. Are you leaving on a jet plane? Don't know when I'll be back again. Great way to keep your shoes together, by the way. If you're looking for a great hack when it comes to whitening these babies, I will link that in the description box below. You can basically keep anything together in your luggage with this. Hoo hoo hoo, do I have a goodie for you. All right, let me just show you something that's the bane of my existence. Sleeping bags come with these nice loop right here, but how many of you can actually get these things rolled up and back in that compact shape with this thing? I don't know about you, but I can't. Okay, that was 100,000 times easier, and it looks way cuter and much easier for your kids to do as well. I'm gonna need to run back to the Dollar Tree and get a few more of these. And I seriously just ran to the Dollar Tree and got 2 more of these because I'm so obsessed. Also, I'm gonna be filming an amazing Amazon closet reorganization, so make sure that you are subscribed with those notification bells turned on because you don't want to miss that video. By the way, these are all going to the thrift store. This is making my organized heart so happy. Before I used to hide these sleeping bags because they would be sprawling all over the house, and I did not want to have to roll them up because like who can actually get them that tight in the packaging that they came with? Love this. I mean, without breaking a sweat and attacking your sleeping bag. I don't want to be sweating while I'm trying to roll up a sleeping bag. This also works great at storing your winter items. Put your hat, your mittens, and your scarf, whatever you use in the wintertime, tuck it on in there. Roll this baby up just like you did the sleeping bag. Wrap it right around, and when it's winter season and time to pull these out, you have everything right where you need it. This is tacky, but garter anyone? Now you certainly could use this in your hair as a cute scrunchie, but that's kind of boring, but it definitely works. Are you going on a road trip and need to keep your games together, or going to a friend's house for game night? Are you traveling and want to keep your books all together in one place? 3 things I always have: a word find, a journal, and a good book that I'm reading. Such a great way to keep everything compact and together. I will often do this in my bedroom or outside, depending if it's nice out. Now you certainly could use this for a great booty band workout. Here's what I prefer: wrap it around your foot, and this is great to help you with some stretching. Yes, most people do this with a towel, but I like that this has a bungee action. If you want to learn how to put your throw blankets in a really cool fashionable ball, I will link this on screen now. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.